All right, so we've been working here. We're about ready to run out of time, or we want to finish. So there's a couple of different things we want to do here. We want to save or export. First, we'll go to save. Now, as soon as we started here, remember we talked about saving, but let's review it again because you can always save. Now, first we hit save, but I always show to save as because what do you want to save it as? It's simple. It's a file name. So I'm going to say just little at Carson because this is one we're working for Carson here. Okay. Now, save file type. I want to click on that. It should come up as Photoshop. Mine did not, but I want to be as Photoshop right there and save it as a copy. Okay. And then go to your desktop. Go on desktop. And remember that graphics folder I had you guys create right there, the name? Double click on that, open that up, and we want to save it inside that graphics folder so our desktop does not get all messy. So we want to click, and I'll show it again. And yes, maximum compatibility. Okay. So what that does is save it. So tomorrow, if I want to go back in and adjust some things, change some text, I can do that. Okay, that's the save as feature. But now if you think I'm done, Goff, I'm done, I'm ready to turn in, we want to export. Okay, we need to export and create the graphic itself or create the picture. And that's where we go to File. We go down to Export right there. There's two different options. They're going to go over here. Quick Export as PNG or Export As. First, we'll do this Export As. Click on that. Okay, screen will come up here. Now, all it is just a little more features. Okay, so here's our graphic we have. Format PNG. We've talked about the differences between PNGs, JPEGs, and GIFs. Usually I just say stick with PNGs. If you want to do a JPEG, that's fine. They both download what we do, but actually if the format stays with PNGs, just stay there. Okay. Now, we see image size and canvas size. For what we do, probably not going to mess with those. Okay. And more advanced, we would mess with their image size or canvas size. And again, all they are is the canvas size is the canvas that was created. Think about a blank, or think about a picture frame. You buy this picture frame, you want to have the image fit what's in the picture frame. So the picture frame is the canvas size. You buy this huge picture or huge frame, you want the image to fit inside that. Okay. We set up the width and height at the start of this project, so they both should be the same. So you shouldn't have to adjust that all, and then you just hit export. You'll click over. We want to go to our graphics folder. It was already put up there because remember I just saved it. So our graphics folder, if not, find your graphics folder, double click. I'm going to put on Carson and I'm going to hit save. And then we have, now we'll minimize and that will save the image. Another way is here, we'll go to File and we'll go to Export. Quick Export is PNG. All this does is it cuts one frame out. See, it just cuts out where you can change the image size or change the canvas size. And again, for most part, we won't have to do that. So for most of you, go to Quick Export as PNG. Carson there, I'll put Carson 2 since I've already exported it once. We're going to hit save, and it goes. So and now what we'll do is now we'll minimize it down. And there's our graphics folder. We're going to double click, open it up, and there's our Carson in our graphics folder. Okay, there's our image right there, and there's our project. So tomorrow, if I want to open Carson's project up to redo it, right there. But here's the final copy. I click on it, and there's the final copy, and that's the one that you will turn into me. All right, guys.